Now, every caravan trip around Australia needs three things. You need your tow vehicle, you need your caravan, and of course you need your company. And that's why I'm going to introduce right now my co-host for this caper, Steve Hayden. Now Steve, have you done any caravanning before?
No, I haven't done a lot, Maxie. I did a little bit with the grandparents as a little tacker, so I'm in your capable hands.
Mate, you are asking for trouble. We're at the New Age Caravans factory. It's time to hitch up and hit the road. So mate, I'm going to start by showing you the 5 things that I'm always on the lookout for when I'm hitching up a caravan.
Okay, so there's 5 steps, Max. What's the first step?
Mate, the first step is to know your weight. Look, in this case, the D-Max can tow 3,500 kilos with 350 kilos sitting on the tow ball. Now the pop top, this guy weighs 2,200 kilos and it can be loaded up to 2,800 kilos, so we are laughing.
So you really got to know your numbers, don't you?
You really do.
So on to step 2?
On to step 2.
What do we need to know about the inside of the van?
Mate, just step inside and make sure that everything's closed. If something looks like it's going to break when you're cruising down the freeway, close it, secure it, whatever you got to do. You know, step outside the van, make sure your corner stabilisers haven't been left down. And look, obviously this awning, we're going to have to close that up too.
All right, so common sense stuff.
Very much
Why
so.
don't I check inside, you do the outside.
Yeah, all right.
Good on you, Max. So Max, we've covered all those important aspects outside the van. Tell me about the electronics on the inside of the van.
All right, mate, so I'll give you an example. In this case, we've got a 3-way fridge. That means it can run on gas, 240 volt and 12 volt. Now, the night before your trip, you want to cool that fridge down on your 240 volt power. When you're towing, well, it's running on the 12 volt power from the car. Now, important to note, that's only about maintaining that cold temperature. You're not really going to cool the fridge down on 12 volt power alone.
Okay, Max, something about safety chains, step 4. What do I need to know?
Yeah, Steve, I always cross my safety chains and I always make sure there's enough slack in the chains to allow that van to turn safely around tight corners. Now, if the van has breakaway brakes, you want to attach the cable to a separate part of the vehicle as well.
So Max, I'm taking it this is our final step.
It is, mate. Extendable towing mirrors. It's a legal thing, it's a safety thing. I don't want to hear your excuses, just fit them, mate. And don't forget, remove the jockey wheel, and can you remind me, we've got to still take that awning in.
And then we're on the road.
We're on the road, dude.
Fantastic.